Today, I'm going to demonstrate 6 different apps in this video that can each pay you up to $1,000 in a single day. All of them are available for download to your smartphone, so you can start making money right away from anywhere around the globe. The principle is pretty simple. The more applications you use, the more money you'll make. If you want to learn how to use all 6 of these money-making applications to make your first $1,000 in a single day, make sure to watch the entire video through the very end. This is just one app's payment record, but it demonstrates how users from all across the world are utilizing it to withdraw real money. Alright, let's begin. We'll start with application number 1, which is called AdWallet.com. In this app, you can earn money just for watching videos and various advertisements. As you can see, you can earn rewards for watching videos for various brands. Each engagement only takes a few minutes and can earn you up to $3. You know, I've never seen a program make it as easy as AdWallet does to earn $3 for every video you watch. Just click on a video, watch it, and you'll be paid 50 cents up to $3 for each video engagement. Now, you may also refer videos to others and get paid $1 for each referral. This is easy. For instance, if you are watching a video similar to this, simply click the play button to begin viewing the video. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, and after you finish the video, you'll be paid in real money. People from many countries are cashing out their money using the several payment methods that are available globally. In their first 12 months, AdWallet paid out over $1 million in cash and other rewards to users from all over the world. Once you hit $10, you may start cashing out your earnings. There is no catch or gimmick, and you get paid in actual hard cash. They simply pay you in cash right immediately without any sort of point system. You only need to click the sign up button at the top if you want to set up a free account. Clicking the sign up now button here will grant you access to a free account, which you can get if you want to. The second app I want to show you today is called 5-Minute Profit Pages, or 5minuteprofitpages.com. With the use of this app, you can automatically earn $300 in commission each day. I love this program since it is plug and play, allowing you to make automatic money pages with only the click of a button and handle all the selling. You won't be selling, and you won't have to recommend anyone or sell to anyone, and you won't even need any technical expertise. Everything can be accomplished in only 2 steps. Now, these are a few of the outcomes I've had with 5-Minute Profit Pages. My username is visible at the top, along with my earnings for the day, yesterday, and the previous 7 days. With just 2 easy steps, I can achieve outcomes similar to these. You must access 5-Minute Profit Pages before we can start, and all you need to do after logging onto the app is complete step 1, which is to copy and paste your affiliate links into the system. Simply click on step 2 to activate the system, and step 3 will allow you to collect your commission every day. The fact that Warrior Plus has so many different products that you can advertise and resell to earn commissions is the reason I can achieve results like these on this platform. Now let's take an example where they provide the estimated average commission for a long list of multiple products. I can advertise all of these products and make commissions every day. I just so enjoy 5-Minute Profit Pages because it is so easy to use and only require 2 simple steps. Again, in step 1, you simply copy your affiliate links. Like for instance, again, click on this one to copy your affiliate link if you wish to promote this product. Step 2 is to return to 5-Minute Profit Pages, paste the affiliate link into the system, and then simply click Activate System to begin getting commissions directly into your account. Newbies can achieve outcomes similar to these by doing that. So I'll now go on to the third app I want to show you, Cash Karma, or cashkarma.com. All you need to do to receive free cash and gift cards from this website is to register and log in daily to the app. You only need to check in and log into your account, and they'll give you more incentives if you finish several surveys. Now, one aspect of Cash Karma that I appreciate is that after you install the app, you'll automatically receive 300 points for free, which translates to $3 in free money without having to do anything. You can exchange your Cash Karma points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards once you've earned them. You can do a variety of tasks on this app to earn a variety of badges. You may, for instance, complete offers, watch videos, recommend others, or fill out some simple surveys. Now, I'll let you know a little secret. If you search for AutoClicker on Google, you'll find that over 60,000 people are already using it. With only one click, you may fill out a variety of services with this Chrome extension. You can access this page, watch a tutorial, and see how it functions in detail. This is currently functioning on Cash Karma as I'm making this video, so you can automatically fill out various surveys without doing anything. Consequently, you may turn those points into real money by completing several surveys with the advertisement and earning points completely automatically. We now move on to app number 4, moneysmsapp.com. You may make money online automatically with this free Android software by just getting an SMS sent by the system. You can download it on your Android phone, and this program enables you to generate income online automatically and without cost. There are no startup fees or further expenses either. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, in addition, you can refer friends to this program and receive 30% of their earnings. For instance, if you recommend this person and they give you 30% of their revenue, which is $100 in this example, you can make $30 without doing anything. Again, you can just visit moneysmsapp.com and download the app. You will get paid for each text message you receive. One benefit is that you don't have to interact with the message in any way. You don't need to click on anything or make a purchase. You can simply accept the message and delete it later and still get paid. The idea behind this is very simple. As soon as you earn money, it will appear on your balance and you can quickly withdraw it using any of the several payment methods that are accessible in your country. Over 3 million text messages have already been sent, and from there, over 71 pounds have been sent to all the individuals in the world. Receiving text messages from Money SMS is a great method to make passive cash without doing anything at all. The following application now is called AffiliateListBot.com. With the use of this app, you'll be able to automatically make over $576 every day in affiliate network auto commissions. For instance, the affiliate programs from Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. You can get 100% of the commission from free traffic, and this is 100% completed for your website and app. The advertising is free and you don't need to have any social media subscribers or follows, and this is truly very beginner friendly. They're going to assist you in promoting various ClickBank products so you can make money online. As you can see, there are a ton of great products to promote on my ClickBank marketplace. With the help of Affiliate ListBot, you may create numerous websites on autopilot and start making money from ClickBank. They will proactively assist you in promoting various things on this website, allowing you to continually earn commission without having to put in any effort. These are just a few of the results that this Done For You tool has been able to achieve on the ClickBank, and individuals are achieving crazy results with it. The final ad is for GetPaid2.com, a website where you can generate passive income online. You can perform a variety of other straightforward tasks on this website, such as playing games, watching videos, and performing surveys. All countries around the world are welcome to sign up on this website too. The idea behind this is rather simple. By doing various tasks on the website, you can accumulate points. You can cash out your earnings by converting your points into cash at a rate of 5,000 points to $1. For instance, if you wish to play games, you can do so on this website for free. Once you've finished playing the games, the points you earn will be given to you and converted into real money. You can do other surveys in addition to playing the games. In one place, they provide you with a variety of profitable surveys from various businesses. You can simply do that and use an auto clicker, which will assist you in automatically completing various surveys. To utilize this method and earn money without doing anything more. On this website, you can also participate in various offers, watch various videos, and view various advertisements. For every click you make, they'll pay you. It's quite easy. On this website, you may earn money by just watching videos or different advertising. Simply click on this button to join free now if you want to create a free account. This will take you to a website where you can register for a free account. To finish your registration, simply enter all of your personal information here, scroll down, and then click this button. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.